Guys, before you can even say anything about my eyebrows, I know they are fugly. I know they are messed up. I got them cut, well done 3 weeks ago, and the lady messed them up. So I'm growing them all the way out so they can be perfect. That's the reason why they're so bushy and out of control. Okay, you guys, enjoy the video. Well, I don't know, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead. I look like I got the whole morning face on. I'm like a whole grown man out here. I'm gonna go ahead, get myself together. I'm going through so much. After I clean up and do everything I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take me a bubble bath to relax my back because my back is killing me. Once y'all get to know my story and y'all get to understand me as a person, y'all will be like, oh my gosh, like this girl is just pushing through every barrier. I've got anything I want with God. I can do anything with God. I can overcome anything. I don't give a damn if it's a freaking mountain of fire. I can overcome it with God. And that's my belief. Like I pray about everything. Everything in my day, I pray. I'm a very spiritual person. Like hey y'all, so I'm feeling better. I finally got to finish cleaning, but I want to come back on here to close out y'all because I started my morning off bad, which is the reason why I had to go power cleaning because I was just like, no, I need my mind on something else. I cannot, continue to be angry and all that, y'all. So it feels good. Like y'all, I don't know, I feel weird vlogging because I don't do this. Like I'm a very private person, so for me to go and do this, like I'm just like, I feel like a person in a new world or something. Like I don't know. Being open and speaking my mind publicly is like, it's like a feeling of, definitely a feeling of being overwhelmed, just actually being able to, I don't know, have my own something with my name on it, and for me to be like, that's mine, that right there, that is me, and can't nobody take that from me. That's me, y'all. I got so much in store for y'all. Y'all should just subscribe, because like it's gonna be even better. It's only gonna get better from here, y'all. I know I don't have all the, the fancy stuff and the intros and all that stuff, but baby gonna work her way up with y'all's help, of course. I'm still researching and doing all my research and stuff, trying to figure out what's what, what's this, what's that. So as soon as I begin to learn it, y'all will see, because it will be included on my page. Y'all will get to see everything. Like I'm gonna be doing a ton of things. Y'all would not believe how shy I've been and how nervous of a person I've been all my freaking life. You guys, I'm trying to tell y'all something. I have been a person that's just so quiet, so shy, so to herself all her life, and to actually get on here and talk and speak my mind and be myself and be happy and be me, y'all, I just love it. And I can't stop. I glam them out. Y'all see them. I did that. Becoming comfortable in the skin that I'm in, y'all. I have been so uncomfortable and just so worried about everybody else's judgment in my life that I've never done anything like this. So y'all, follow the journey, subscribe, comment down below any suggestions of videos I should do, and definitely for sure, y'all, drop suggestions for the family name. Like, what should we be called? What should we be? The AV gang, the AV squad, the AV family, or something totally different? So y'all subscribe, and I've got to get these kids situated and get my cinnamon rolls out the oven before I burn them. Oh, my arm is hurting. I gotta go. Hey y'all, let me cut the lights on. Hey y'all, so this is the finished product. Basically it just cleaned up the kitchen, straightened up from earlier from what y'all seen what was going on. I had a really tough week, but we are all bounced back. We got us some broccoli, we got some corn, we got some shrimp, we got some baked potatoes, we got some cheeseburgers we're about to have, and then we got us some cinnamon rolls. Look at them things, y'all. Just look at them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I get excited off sweets. But yeah, y'all, basically everything's all clean. I know y'all want to see I got dishes from when I cooked. Yes, I do. Don't judge. But everything's all clean and nothing's, you know, tore up like it was earlier. My floors is clean. I did mop and sweep the floors. And yes, I got to take out the trash. Y'all wouldn't believe how much trash I got. Y'all, I got trash right here. Y'all, do y'all see that? Like, what? What? All that trash to go outside? And y'all, like, I don't even have no big truck to take it to the dumpster with, so I'm not like, I'm literally taking the trash. I'm gonna have to take the trash to the dumpster. And look at my baby. I'm trying to keep the plate up out the view. She chilling. I'm gonna take trash in that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just no. Look at the, y'all, and I got a vacuum down here. I got carpet powder on the floor. I got a vacuum. This is one room. No, put the lights on because there's nothing special down here. Like, literally, I'm just showing y'all. I'm gonna talk about this during my mukbang, so I want to show it to y'all so y'all can see, you know, we getting together or whatever, getting little things together. Okay, though. And this is just another chill room. Sofas in there. Y'all, we're gonna chit chat during the mukbang so y'all can know. And that's, you know, my wash machine and my dryer in there. My 50 million clothes, I still have loads to put in the dryer. Matter of fact, let me start the dryer again because this dryer, gotta keep starting it. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm just, you know, I didn't get to my bottom level like I wanted to today, but I mean, that's another day. But yeah, y'all see, I cleaned up, I straightened up. Let me cut the light on. I straightened up some. This is all stuff to put together right here in the corner. I gotta put that stuff together. It's house knickknacks, you know, candles and goodies, things I did. That's a bookcase. I did build this shelf on my own. Okay, look at the craftsmanship, y'all. And look, y'all, wouldn't believe what this does. I'm getting excited. If it cut on, thought somebody done broke it. Okay, though, y'all, and I got that from the Goodwill for $3.99. Holla at your girl. Y'all, like, yes, and I just love it. And I'm just slowly getting it together, you know. My Cosmo magazine, little waterfall. Gotta keep the Holy Bible nearby. Yeah, so, y'all, we're gonna go ahead, dive into this dinner.